In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to back up your Palworld save. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily back up your Palworld save if you play on PC. This is going to be useful if you ever want to restore your save to a previous point, or if you just want to make sure that you have a backup in case your files get corrupted or anything of the sort. So all that you have to do is first press Windows plus R. What this is going to do is bring out the run window. In here, we can type a specific location to go to. So what we have to do is go to local app data. You can also open the run window by opening the Windows taskbar and using the search function to look for run. But regardless, just go to percentage local app data percentage. Once you type that out, click OK, and a folder is going to appear like this. So you will be immediately redirected to app data local. In here, scroll down until you find PAL and open this folder. Now go over to saved and save games. Now here are all the save games that you have. You can open any of these folders and you will be able to find the world information under level.sav, local data, level meta, world options, and finally players, which should include your inventory, your level, and so on. So all that you have to do is either copy this folder altogether here and just place it elsewhere, or you can copy these files individually, whatever you prefer. As long as you save these files or this folder here to another location and you keep it saved, you will be able to replace it at any time. So just copy these files and you will be good to go whenever you need to restore your Palworld save data. Like I said, this should include the world, your character that you created associated with that world, and you can always go over here and just replace it. Make sure that you note down the name here and you replace as necessary when you go back to this directory at local app data. I hope I was able to help you on how to back up Palworld save. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.